guys! Yes, I'm doing a makeup video. I've never done a makeup video and I am so excited to do one. Today I'm doing this makeup rainbow pretty eyeshadow with a nude lip and, of course, let's get to it. So first I'm going to be taking my Bare Minerals Bare Pro and I'm going to be taking this in the shade Champagne and I'm going to be putting this on my beauty blender. It is Bare Pro. There are three foundation lines for Bare Minerals, so yeah. And I'm also going to just dribble this on my face. Look like a Keaton from Zelda. Now I'm just going to dab this in. And I'm just going to take this, I think it's from Forever 24, 21, not 24, and put this back. Look how damn pale I look, damn. Like, Jesus, look how pink and red I look. Goodness gracious. I'm going to be taking my Tarte Shape Tape Concealer in the shade Fair, the lightest shade. I'm going to dot this underneath my eye, down the bridge of my nose, and on my other eye. Then I'm going to blend that out. I have my foundation on and my concealer on. Now I'm gonna go in with my contour, and this is Wet n Wild in the shade Oaks on You. This is what the color looks like. It's a cream consistency, and I'm just going to lightly brush that onto the edge of my cheekbone on both sides. And then I'm going to drizzle that onto the top of my forehead and the bottom of my cheeks. Not my cheeks, my chin. And then I'm gonna blend that out. Now after that, I'm going to get my contour stick again, and I'm going to contour my nose so it looks snatched. And then I'm going to be taking this side of the beauty blender, the pointy side. Some of them don't have it, but if not, just use the other end. And then I'm going to blend that out. So I'm going to be taking my NYX eyebrow pencil in the shade Medium Brown. I am a blonde, so I would not recommend doing brown, but I used to have brown hair, so I'm going to be using my brown. Alright, so now my eyebrows are looking bold and powerful. I'm going to take my Tarte Shape Tape again. I'm going to put that on my eyelids because I did not before. I like to do it before my eyebrows because I can do this. You do not need an angled brush to define your eyebrows. And then I'm going to blend that in. I'm going to be taking my BH Cosmetics palette and I'm going to be getting the color yellow and I'm going to be putting that in my crease for my first color of my rainbow. I'm just going to pat that in to my crease. Then I'm going to be taking this color orange and I'm going to be putting that into the middle of my crease. And then I'm going to be taking red, the final color of the rainbow. And I'm going to be doing the rest of the colors on the bottom of my eye. So I'm going to be taking green. I'm going to be using this green in the BH Cosmetics, that one. And I'm going to be putting that at the bottom of my lid. Alright, so now we got our green, and then I'm going to take a blue out of my palette, and I'm going to be using a light blue, like right there. And I'm going to be taking that and then putting that right next to the green. Alright, so now we got the blue underneath. It's looking really pretty. And then I'm going to be taking my dark purple right here. And then I'm going to be putting that at the last of my lid, right under the red. Okay, so now I have this purpley look. I'm gonna just take my brush that I used earlier to blend out the top lid. And I'm gonna use it to blend out this purple a little bit. And now I'm gonna do the opposite side on this side. Same steps, just in an opposite color, so. Okay, so now I have my two eyes done. Now I'm gonna put on some liner. I'm going to be taking it from L'Oreal Paris. It's called Liqueur Intense, and I'm gonna be putting that on my lids. Okay, so now I got my two eyes done with my liner. Now I'm going to be going in with my Maybelline mascara. I have the Benefit mascara, but I don't know why. I think this works better. It's been working better, so I'm going to use it. Okay, so after that, I'm going to be taking my NYX. I fucking love NYX. I keep using NYX products, so. And I'm just going to be taking this cheap drugstore brush, and I'm going to be getting the blush, and I'm going to be putting it on my cheekbones lightly. Alright, so now I have my blush on. It's pretty heavy. Damn, girl. That's some pretty blush. Okay. So now that I have my blush on, my eyeshadow, my eyeliner, my mascara, all I have to do left is my lips, and I'm going to be taking this pretty shade in Maybelline. It's called Matte Naked. It's matte lipstick, and I'm going to be putting that on. So this is the finished look. Thank you for staying for my video, and yeah, thank you. Bye.